the life you live. Everything you have in mind, Jah will give. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh,
Greetings I bring. Morning, everyone. It is Friday, February 23. It is Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. We're in Studio A, and we welcome our friends at OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, I think Snapchat, and I'll tell you why I think so later on. And where? At TelevisionJamaica.com. What's up? We'll leave out some. Snapchat at TVJ.
What the song say to all ragamuffin? That's a ragamuffin, Bridget.
Bless.
You good?
Yeah, but me leave out something. Hold on, I can start again. Hold on a minute.
OneSpotMedia, TelevisionJamaica.com.
Facebook, Twitter,
TelevisionJamaica.com.
Instagram, Snapchat at TelevisionJamaica.com.
No.
And television.
You know that me just tell him 10 seconds ago?
Yeah, all right.
Ragamuffin, Bridget.
Bless. Let me do that.
No, me you say a real ragamuffin now.
Bless.
You're running afoul of the law and everything.
Speaking of a foul of the law, wherever at there.
They don't get an arrest today. You pay a ticket?
I have some breaking news for you.
You better broke it.
Look at this. Everard. Look at that. Look so you will see it. Registered Magistrate Court.
You pay a ticket?
I was in court yesterday.
So did you have to say, what did you have to say when you went in? Did you have to say that all hail the Queen, something?
No, you know the only thing that I found strange, when the clerk of the court said, guilty or not guilty. Well, me go so because I think all the murderer I asked them questions.
No.
So they say guilty or not guilty, I went like that. So I kind of said, we might talk. Then I realized it was me. So I said, oh, guilty.
What were you do?
Eh?
What you do?
Well, them say I went through a stop sign, which I did. But when I go, and the lady said,
Wait, no, you said it's that? Them said, I went through a traffic
No,
light.
but I didn't.
Which I did?
A stop sign. No, I did not.
No, you said which I did.
No,
So
I
you
said I
just-
did, which
no,
I
you
did.
just plead guilty though, Bridget.
Yeah, I plead guilty because I decided that I was
guilty
going to
means
contest
They
it.
cannot talk anymore because you've already admitted to the crime.
But when they say guilty or not guilty, they say,
You've committed
the murder
the crime.
and the lost them question. Everyone.
So am I now
And then-
sitting beside a criminal? Is that how it works?
And then the most honorable judge said, you have anything to say? And I said, no, ma'am. And she said, but you have quite a lot to say in another area.
In other words, you're chatting, no.
And then
The
I
judge
said, I
understand.
don't want to get myself in trouble,
Who
ma'am.
was
And
the
she said, but
judge?
we have a lawyer right there.
Who was the judge? Who was the judge? Who was the judge?
I don't know her name.
Well, I'm proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, see,
Here we are
he's
not
a
proud of
criminal.
me.
He was trying to abscond.
No.
He got called out and he paid. You see, this is
Yeah,
how
well,
you
I don't
make
understand.
restitution.
But the ticket was $4,000, so I
So
don't
you
know
paid
how
five.
it reached $5.
True by your wait so long. It's
I'm going to
interest.
court.
Yes, but you did the right thing.
But it's strange, you know, and then I think the police officer was kind of having a nice time with me. So when the judge called me up and said, stand up there, sir. And I had to get up and stand up, and I said, okay.
You could have said stand for one
But
leg.
the guilty
hold
are
your
not
right
guilty.
ear.
No, the guilty are not guilty, they love me.
Yes, you have to,
Because
you
I
have to
think it's
plead.
only murder. Oh, I had to take out my earring too. You can't
That's
go
why
in.
you don't have it in. I was wondering why you didn't have it
I
in.
never remember to put it back. But you can't go in with your earring. You have to turn
You
off
did wear
your
up
phone.
these beat-up some?
Well, I had on my long sleeve because I went from here yesterday. No, but you have to button up your shirt and
Presentable up yourself.
yeah.
Yes.
But it was interesting.
That's how you were raised.
And the clerk of the court says, well, Your Honor, Mr. Bell is here, and we've brought forward because he has to go back. So I set up that court. I was it's the strangest feeling in life.
Do you want to end up back there?
Eh?
Do you want to go back there?
No, sir.
Good, so obey the
I
road
still
code.
can't get to what they guilty or
You've
not
learned the
guilty.
lesson.
Because I say, I think all the murderer, them ask them
No,
questions.
no.
But there you go.
Okay.
So,
Excellent.
folks,
Should I
let me
send
see.
the
I
camera
pay
with
my money and I don't owe the government anything. So, yes, everybody had teased me and I thought about them must lock me up because the SSP, you never see SSP come
I
SSP come on the set yesterday. But see it here again, my money is paid, resident
I would like to ask a
magistrates
question.
courts.
How we know you never forged that?
What do you mean? You know, say, well, stamp, look on the stamp, right? Where is
What
stamp?
is a classification? Disobey what? I'm done. Disobey stop sign.
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
no.
Which I did. But I don't know.
You just said you did, though.
Well,
Make up your
I plead
mind.
guilty because I had to move on.
Anyway, I'm proud of you. You did the right thing.
Yeah,
You did
thank
the
you.
right thing.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Good job.
All right, this one's a coincidence. All our entertainers are coming to us from France this morning.
La France.
Yeah.
Oh,
Parlez-vous
that's-
français?
Oh, parlez-vous, no.
Oh.
Hablo español.
Oh.
That's
oh.
right, folks. Recording duo Winston McAnuff and Fixie are here, and separately, alternative violinist Mappy made his way here from Paris as well, so stick around for that.
Now, Peter Tosh actually toured Paris in 1983. That's just a fun fact. We look at the life of the legendary reggae icons, like, well, we look at the life
Of his life.
of his life, music and legacy.
Life he has.
Yeah.
Life of his life.
Well respected. Some people might even go as far as to say he was the best one on the Wailers. Some people certainly was the most aggressive one. But
Outspoken.
yeah, he was wonderful.
Maybe not aggressive, but
Yeah.
outspoken.
Yeah.
Anyway, folks, are we respecting our policemen? We've got the political ombudsman, Donna Parchment Brown, stopping by this morning to talk about that vexing issue, which is being discussed nationwide. All of that, more this morning. But first, we start with our hot topics. We've given you one already. Neville has paid his ticket. Let's move on to some other important ones. Nefreel, make yourself useful now.
The story says the Governor General intervenes. I'm not certain he intervened because I think the meeting was called by the most honorable Prime Minister.
Go on, man. move on.
A statement from Kingshouse said Sir Patrick Allen last Friday convened a tripartite meeting with the representatives of the executive, legislative and judicial branches of the government following a written request from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, which is the reason I said I don't think it was Governor General who intervened per se. The Governor General said it was called to address recent developments and allay anxieties. This has everything to do with the acting Chief Justice Brian Sykes. I think he was also there. It says the legislator was represented by the Speaker of the House of Representatives and the President of the Senate, while acting Chief Justice Brian Sykes, the President of the Court of Appeal, as well as the senior and other, what is it? What's how you pronounce it?
Puny judges.
What is it pronounced?
Puny.
Puny? Is that how it's pronounced? Puny judges represented the judiciary. First time knowing that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But as far as I know, he still has the position of acting, which is the issue a lot of people have, that he should be just given the position
Didn't
of...
they make an announcement that he was going to be confirmed in the position? It didn't happen.
No, it didn't happen. I heard from last Friday we were talking about that, I think, and said that was going on. So we will hear more anon, I am sure.
Okay.
What's the next one?
No, you go. I just love to hear you
110
speak.
years in prison. The attorney for the Serran family, along with it's the couple and 3 adult sons, they were sentenced to a total of 110 years in prison for stoning and chopping a mentally ill man to death.
So the attorney has issue with the...
Yeah,
with
Mr. Ernest Smith is saying it's excessive.
Based upon what?
Well, he says this case unfortunately has demonstrated that emotions sometimes rule the day. But I'm happy that we do have a court of appeal, which obviously is going to appeal. Velma Dean, 65, she was sentenced to life in prison. She should serve 30 years. That should be 95 before she has an opportunity to come out. Her 69-year-old husband, he will serve 25 years before he has an opportunity to leave. Their 2 kids, Richard 44, Dwight 38, 20 years each, so that's 64 and 58. They will each have to serve 12 years before they're eligible for parole. And Jermaine was sentenced to 15 years and must serve 10. And the lawyer is saying what he thinks. That is
Such a sad story.
yeah. But the father said he saw when the mother ordered the kids to stone the house and then saw the mother chopping his son.
Yeah, I find that's why I find the lawyer's statement so ironic,
Yeah.
because it was emotion that led to
Yep.
the death in the first place. So, anyway,
Yep.
Snapchat.
I know that
Neville's-
judge very well, by the way.
Neville's favorite.
Yeah, well, this is the reason I
Platform.
said I wonder if Snapchat is still going on.
It is, but apparently it's losing appeal. They made some modifications the other day, and the users were like, "What is this?" Apparently, Kylie Jenner is now sharing in, or weighing in. Snapchat loses $1 billion. She tweeted the other day. Does anyone else not open Snapchat anymore, or is it just me? Ugh, this is so sad.
Snapchat, as opposed to like Twitter and
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is Snapchat?
It's just a different platform. It allows you to do different things. Record a
Snapchat
little
is
video,
more like
put it up,
video
and
than
it comes.
pictures, or-
Yes. And it has applications where you can put little bunny ears on, or you
Okay,
can use
Snapchat does that. Yeah,
Yes.
I see. Yeah.
Right.
So what? People just don't want to
I
do
don't
that
know
anymore.
what
or-
happened. They did, like I said, they did some upgrades to the system that people did not
When they say
find
they lose 6
user-friendly.
million, how would they have lost money? Because people not advertising on them, or
Yeah, if the
nobody
platform
watching,
loses
right.
so many people, well, she has 24.5 million followers, so I'm sure that is going to help to bring their numbers down even further.
Yeah.
But that will affect the popularity of the brand, the saleability of the platform, and so on. So,
Well,
yeah,
I don't think it won't bother me, to be honest. But
you're not on Snapchat.
No, I'm not on
Neither
it.
am I.
okay. Well, here you're on something from the other day. What
On
the-
something? Me?
Yeah.
Don't tell the people them that. That don't sound right. What am I on?
You're on something that you weren't on before. Oh, Instagram.
I don't know.
Which one?
You make it
Instagram.
sound like I'm on some kind of medication for some kind of ailment.
No, but
You mean I'm on something?
No, but
Well,
if I
that's a-
say it that way, you just tell me what you're on.
No. You say you're on something, so
Yeah.
you must tell me what I'm on, because you say I'm on
Instagram.
it. Oh.
You're on
Better
Instagram?
you clean up your talk very fastly.
You're on
Never
Instagram.
sound right. I might be.
She can't talk
I
straight.
might be. I am. But
Okay.
I've only made, how many posts have I made, Jody? 2
Me don't know.
or 3 in 2 weeks. It's all good. I told him I couldn't keep up. I'm not an Instagram girl.
You're on Twitter.
I will
Tweet.
tweet. But Instagram now you have to put up pictures.
So if you tweet
all
like
these
Donald
things.
Trump can see, like how him on Twitter too, if you tweet him can see it.
He probably would not see it because he has some 40 million followers. So he
Okay.
probably mine would get
But,
lost
but
in
him
everything
could
else.
see it
But
if him did
I've
want to see
tried.
it. You try?
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
No, I have not tried.
Let me
Don't
retweet
check.
that. No, let me retweet, please. Let me send him
It's
my
called
message.
Twitter.
Let me retweet and let me send him my message. And say,
Let me the
Sir
tweet
Donna.
thing. Jody, don't bring it in.
Jody, do it. Just say, Sir Donna, I want to know where you're going on with. That's all. Not more.
40 million bots.
Yeah.
Well, some of them are.
All right, birthday. Look at this little cutie bridget.
Snookums.
Now, he's going to be 2 years old on Sunday. This is Khalil Tyrell. His dad is an outstanding FIFA referee.
Is he into foreign or here?
No, he's here, but I
Oh,
guess that
I guess I was
picture was in
according.
the foreign. So there is the great Khalil. It's coming from your mom, Kayla, your dad, Carl, and your grandparents, and the rest of the family, and from me. So I hope that when you get big, them say, you know, say the Virgin at work on TV did heal you up. I want to say good morning, by the way, to Mr. and Mrs. Noel. Mr. Keith Noel, who was the principal at St. Jago High.
Oh, that name is
And
very
I've seen
familiar.
his wife. Mrs. Noel, I can't remember your first name. I am so sorry. But it was great to have that little chat with you. And thank you so much for watching. And really appreciate the kind words. I hope you're watching now, or someone will tell you. Where is Virgin Eleanor? And this is the outstanding and wonderful Virgin Alex Marshall. Alex is going to be 20 tomorrow. Outstanding footballer. Saw him yesterday.
Growing up, son.
Yeah, not only one of the best I've coached, but one of the best people I've coached. He's an outstanding young man. Really, really wonderful to coach Alex. I hope you have a brilliant day tomorrow. You get old, by the way. And before you know it, you're 66 like me, or almost.
Oh my
What?
gosh.
What you say? Donald Trump? Oh, you sent me something? I'll soon deal with that. So, Alex, tomorrow, I know you have your big party and stuff tomorrow, so have some fun.
Are you going?
Him
You're gonna fling your shoulder?
Him really never invite me.
Oh, poor soul.
Yeah, I think it's our young people thing. I love me younger than the whole of them. Happy birthday to Mechanic Keaty. And it says from Young Street Alignment. that sounds. Who is Keaty? Whose friend is Keaty? Oh, a mechanic? Keaty. And birthday greetings to Miss Dolly. So nobody have the right name this morning. That's coming from her husband, Sky Juice. and Miss Sonia McNaught. So Miss Dolly, Happy birthday for your husband,
There was a
Sky.
selector named Sky Juice.
Yeah,
I
but
don't think that's
is,
him.
no, it's not this.
I don't think that's
Well, them give me a picture. It said thank you. So I don't know if the picture is Sky Juice or Miss Dolly or is me them trying to work with. You see it there?
I suspect it's neither of any of you. And
so-
what is
yeah.
wrong with that person's teeth? That's my
Yeah.
first question. What's happening?
Jody, me not say nothing.
Anywho,
Hold on, Jody send me something. Then just bring it and give it to me,
Jody, what did you send to him?
I don't see nothing. Nothing don't come in. Who is this now? Happy birthday to Tanya Duffus. It's from Mikel and your daughter Sabrina. Tanya, Miss Tanya, I'm show you, man. No, don't try? Yeah, let me know, sure. You're frightened now.
Jody was like, no, don't do it.
So like Miss Tanya wanted her something and them all know say she's right
Don't
here
say
with us.
that. Just because you were wanted yesterday don't mean
I
everybody
was
else
not
must be wanted.
Happy birthday. I was
Jeez.
not wanted.
Well,
I
you
think
must
I
align
finished. I
people's
mix up.
character like
I do
that.
everything.
So just throw it a break.
Yeah, happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
Who know the way